Now I'll show some infant baby dresses pattern cutting on the paper, and simultaneously I'll tell the stitching instructions also. Here is the one A-line frock with strap on the shoulder that is continuous with the back part, and it is decorated with piping. So how to cut, I'll show you now. Here is the drafting for A-line frock. 0 to 1 and 2 to 3 is the half of the chest plus 2 inch for the length. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 is the half of the chest plus 2 inch for width. 0 to 4 is half of the shoulder measurement plus 1/4 inch. 4 to 5 is half inch down. 0 to 6 is 1/12 of the chest for the neck width. 0 to 7 is 1 inch down for the back neck length. 0 to 8 is 1/12 of the chest plus 1 inch for the front neck length. 0 to 9 is 1/4 of the chest for the armhole length. 4 to 11 and 0 to 9 is same. 9 to 10 is 1/4 of the chest plus 1 inch for the chest line. 10 and 3 with A-line shape. 4 to 11 is a straight line. 12 is the center point of 4 to 11. Back armhole shape on 5, 12 and 10. 12 to 13 is 1/4 inch. Draw front armhole shape on 5, 13 and 10. Draw front and back neck shape on 7 to 6 and 8 to 6. Here is the block for the front part of A-line frock. On fold, A to B is the length and same is C to D. Total width is A to C and B to D. I am drawing the neckline shape. This is the front neckline and here is the shoulder. You can draw as per your measurement, and this is the front armhole shape, and here is the A-line shape. So this is the front part. My front part paper is ready. Place front part paper this way and draw outline for the back part. Correct the neck shape because this is the front part neck shape is deep, so we have to make it short, and this is the armhole shape for front part. This is a deep cut, so we'll do this for back part armhole shape. So here we can draw it with the help of scale this way and draw. For the children, not much difference, very light difference. The back neck length will be shorter than the front, so this is our line for the length, and this will be the length of the back part neck. This must be 1 to 1.5 inch, and draw this way. Avoid mistake while cutting as for the front neck shape, because we have to cut back neck shape only. So mark this way to remember. Now we have to extend this shoulder line the way the scale goes. So how much is your measurement? As per measurement, draw this way. Extend this by 1.5 to 2 inch. Width of the strip is totally your choice, how you want, wide or narrow. So accordingly cut. So that this way front and back both the part is ready. First step of the stitching is to finish this back part neckline along with the strap and armhole with the piping, and same way for the front part, finish neckline and armhole shape with the piping. After finishing piping, join two sides and fold the bottom flare and stitch to finish. This way you can stitch A-line frock for the baby, and here you stitch the buttonhole on the strap and down you stitch the button. So after closing, this button will come on top and can place one motif also that looks good. You can use the A-line frock paper pattern to cut overlap A-line frock also. For the back part, just remove this strap part, cut it as per the shoulder measurement, and this will be the back part will be ready. For the front part, place this way on another single sheet of paper or fabric and draw the outline. After drawing the outline of front part, center front line extend here by 3 inch and draw a straight line. Now match the scale by joining width, and neck length and draw a line the way it is coming, the drape. Now you can draw any shape, you can make it smooth and match it with the flare this way. Now the cutting point will be side seam line, armhole shape, shoulder and this overlap shape. After cutting one part of overlap for the front, place in such a way so that one part should be towards left side and another will be on right side. So this will match the fabric right side and right side this way, and draw the outline and cut. This way it will come, so one part will overlap on another this way. You can finish this overlap part with the piping or lace for both front and back neckline also. After joining the shoulder, finish armhole shapes with piping or lace, whatever you have finished with the overlap. Stitch side seam line and finish the bottom. To maintain overlap, stitch some strings or buttons on the down part and same on the this part or with the side seam. On the top also can finish with the button or string. Or half of the lap part can join, stitch and join, and only comfortable part for the opening you can maintain, and that will be comfortable to wear. In the next video, I'll show some more baby dresses designs. By that time, please subscribe Home Tailoring by Kusum Sharma YouTube channel and share with your friends.